electric thermal pot here. First time I used it, I used room temperature warm water. It was 71 degrees. It took 32 minutes before the unit could finish heating the water and change from boil to keeping it the warm mode. The last night this got low and I re-topped it off before I went to sleep. So it finished heating it up a little faster because it had some warm water in it already, and then it's held it now for almost 8.5 hours. So at any point I could hit the reboil button and it'll take about 2 to 3 minutes and it'll bring it back to its peak temperature. But just to show you how well it does keep it warm for this length of time. The default of this thing is, after just a few seconds of inactivity, is to lock it so that it won't dispense until you hit this unlock button up here. So you hit the unlock button, it lights up, and then you can use the dispense function. I'm going to fill that, and I'm just going to show you thermometer here. It's still pretty reasonable, between 170 to 175 degrees. So, I mean, it's kept it really warm for that duration of time, and as I said, there's the reboil button here that you can hit, and it changes from warm to boil mode, and that'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, and that would bring it back to its peak. So I'm going to enjoy some tea now, and thank you.